Welcome to First Park Homes Naik, Cavite. This is located an hour away from Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange. And on this project, you can own a unit or a townhouse for as low as 12,000 per month through Pag-ibig financing. And that is through our Calista model or our townhouse model. Yes, you heard it right. First Park Homes is a development of Mitsubishi Corporation and Century Properties. Today, we are going to view the expanded Calista model, and this sits on a 54 square meter floor area and 44 square meter lot area. This parking here can accommodate your compact vehicle. Let's take a look at the dress-up unit so that you'll have an idea how you can style this townhouse. This is a steel door with a steel jamb, which comes automatically with the townhouse or the house and lot. So this is an open layout concept. That area over there under the stairs can serve as your entertainment area. And this area over here can be your dining area. It can fit a 4 to 6 seater dining table. And you can see here that the accent lighting easily added definition to the living room. So this is just an idea that you can also imitate and apply into your living room once it's turned over to you. And that this area over here was given life by the green potted plant and the coffee table that complemented the plant on the corner unit. And this is the area where you can put your refrigerator. And on this kitchen, you can see here that the designer combined both floating shelves and over-counter and under-counter kitchen cabinets. Aside from Naik, Cavite, First Park Homes locations are in General Trias, Tansa, Batangas, Quezon, Laguna, Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Bataan, General Santos, Bacolod, and Iloilo. Several locations for the First Park Homes project, guys. So this area over here points to the service area, and let's take a look at the dress-up toilet and bath. Actual turnover for the toilet and bath comes with ceramic walls and ceramic tiles. This is your shower area. And then you can see here that the designer used a tubular partition to divide both shower area and the toilet. So this will serve as the space for the bathroom stuff. This is the sink. And amenities in First Park Homes include swimming pool, pocket gardens, gym, clubhouse, pocket parks, and jogging pods as well. This will serve as your laundry area. And again, there is a perimeter fence at the back. So if you purchase a unit in First Park Homes, you are not only buying your house, but you are also buying the lifestyle that comes with it. As we move on, let's go to the second floor. Actual turnover for the stairs comes with wooden steps with steel railings. And the way the designer modified this will also give you an idea on how you can modify your stairs. So the second floor of the townhouse features an additional toilet and bath plus 3 bedrooms. Again, this is an expanded dress-up. So you can modify it to become 3 bedrooms and you can add a toilet and bath on your second floor. This area serves as a foyer with a chair here and a floor-to-ceiling bookshelf. Again, this will come with ceramic wall tiles and ceramic floor tiles. Moving on, for the 3 bedrooms, let's take a look. So this is the hallway. So, if you are a starting family, this is ideal for you, especially if you have 2 kids. This is the first bedroom. So, this is the area where the bed was placed. Some pictures added. The area that also serve as the entertainment area, and this can also function as a work from home office. And now for the second bedroom, the designer put a table or a work area, and then there's also a floor to ceiling cabinet, and this is the area where the bed was placed, together with some floating shelves for your knickknacks and a big window for natural ventilation and natural lighting. And then moving on to the biggest bedroom amongst the 3 bedrooms, this will serve as the master's bedroom. So there is a built-in cabinet. This can fit a queen size bed. Some paintings added to it with some natural ventilation and natural lighting from the window. So truly functional for the master's bedroom. Owning a unit now can be easy. All you have to do is to just message me for details. First Park Homes is your next house. Come message me for sample computation. If you're looking for your dream house and your dream condo, message me. Let me help you. Bye. Thank you for watching.